Okay guys, on July 2nd, 2024, now you can see that this is my mature plant of delosperma lehmannii. Its common name is ice plant, and this plant is about 4 years old. So now we will try to propagate it from the stem cuttings. First we have to select some mature cutting like this, and we have taken our first cutting. And now you can see that we have removed the lower leaves, because lower leaves can cause certain fungal rot when they used to be in contact with the soil. Our first stem has been taken, and now this is our second stem. We also need to remove its lower leaves. Now you can see it out. Now looking for my third one, okay, and this one. So we can take it out like this. Okay, so this is my third cutting. So now you can see that these are our cuttings, and we have to keep these in shade so that they will get healed out. Okay, and if not healed, they are more probably fail. Okay, on July 4th, 2024. Now you can see that we have taken our media, and media consists of simple sand and simple garden soil. 50% sand is there, 50% simple garden soil is there, and one more thing that why we have added the sand, because of the fact that we want to increase the drainage of the media. Because if water used to reside inside this media, then there is a more chance of cuttings being totally died. So better is to give a moderate amount of water always. More water is there, then there is a lot of chance of rotting of the stem. So now we are just leveling our media. Leveling of media is essential. First you will level the media, and then with the help of forceps we need to insert these cuttings. So usually in our area these succulent cuttings do not used to fail, because I am living in an alpine environment in the northern side of Pakistan. So now we have planted these two cuttings. Now we will go for the third one like this. Okay, and we also need to keep these pots in the shade. Now you can see via zoom in that okay, now we are just putting certain water. Okay, and why it is so? Because first time you need to give these thorough water, and then on every drying of the top surface you are supposed to give these pots water. On August 26, 2024. Now you can see that these are our three plants, and now we have seen that there are a lot of weeds inside these pots. And one more thing, that due to less watering, our plants are a little bit dried up. Okay, but we can't say they are just in a little bit stress. We can't say that they are not doing well. Obviously they are doing well and they are surviving. The middle one is a little bit like weak, but two of our cuttings are very healthy even after passing a lot of days. Now this one we are just removing the weeds with the help of our sponge forceps. So now this weed is very hard to remove, and now just twist it out and then take it out. Yeah, so it is very hard, and the grip of our forceps is not so much. Yes, but now it has removed this weed. So now we will see that Either there is, yes, there is a little bit progress on the shoot side, that we can see certain new leaves. And now you can see that the roots have been developed, although they are very dried up. Why it is so? Because we do not use to water these thoroughly for this period, so we can see that a little bit of the roots are dried, looking dried. They are not like dead, okay? They are alive, but seems to be dried. We are not doing any change to the middle pot because it is a little bit in stress. And I will just check it out like this. As you can see that our cuttings are properly rooted now. And in this way you can see that we have rooted 2 of our delosperma plants. Okay, now we will put it again, because I myself do not have a lot of these plants, so we have to put these back within the media. Now a little bit zoom in. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.